Breaking news, BJP has hit out at Shashi Tharoor after the Congress MP at Pakistan event has said, and I quote, "We look with envy at Pakistan's COVID-19 fight," unquote. BJP's Sambit Patra has said that Shashi Tharoor has mocked India's COVID-19 fight.
भारत का एक सांसद गांधी परिवार का राइट हैंड राहुल गांधी जी के और सोनिया जी के अनन्य साथी और कांग्रेस के एक दिग्गज नेता इस प्रकार का बयान लाहौर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल में पाकिस्तानियों को संबोधित करते हुए और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जिसको पूरा विश्व देख रही हो, ऑब्जर्व कर रही हो, उस पर भारत के खिलाफ इस प्रकार कह सकते हैं। जो भी शशि थरूर जी ने कहा है, उन्होंने भारत का ना केवल मजाक बनाया है, भारत को एक बहुत ही खराब परिदृश्य में और बहुत ही इन डिम लाइट डिमीन्ड इंडिया, एक तरह से भारत को एक बहुत खराब दृश्य से दिखाने की कोशिश शशि थरूर जी ने की है।
Gopi is now joining us live and just about a bit for the very latest on this. But there you go, that's the controversy that has just broken out. We got you a reaction from Sambit Patra as well on this particular story. The breaking news coming in is that the BJP has hit out at Shashi Tharoor after Congress MP at a Pakistan event said that we look with envy at Pakistan's COVID fight. Listen in to Sambit Patra live now.
कांग्रेस भी पाकिस्तान नेशनल कांग्रेस जल्दी ही बन जाएगी, इसी रेट से काम चलता रहा तो, अगर इसी रेट से हुआ। नहीं, इस पे तो हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया था, 4 दिन पहले ही किया था, जिस दिन फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी ने ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि चीन से हमें मदद चाहिए। उस दिन आप याद करिए, हमने यहाँ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके कहा था कि राहुल जी और फारूक जी एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे।
Gaurav Bhatia is joining us on the phone line for the very latest on this. Gaurav, your first up reaction, your party has gone ahead and hit out at Shashi Tharoor after the Congress MP has gone ahead and all right, Gaurav Bhatia will be joining us for that reaction, official reaction coming in from the BJP in just about a bit. But that's also Sambit Patra's official reaction coming in. That's the BJP stance on this issue. BJP hitting out at Shashi Tharoor after the Congress MP at a Pakistan event went on and said, "We're looking with envy at Pakistan's COVID-19 fight." In fact, you had Sambit Patra who slammed Shashi Tharoor just a while back. You heard him. You did hear him say that Tharoor has mocked India's COVID fight. Gopi Krishnan Unnithan is now joining us live for the latest on this. Gopi, what is it exactly that was said by Shashi Tharoor at this particular event?
Well, Shashi Tharoor seems to have stoked yet another controversy with his remarks, and now this time regarding the COVID-19 fight India has been putting for the last 7 months. Remember, his words and remarks came at an event at the Lahore Literature Festival, and while speaking or hitting that particular event virtually, Shashi Tharoor has said that India has failed in its COVID fight, and he has specifically targeted Prime Minister and went on to say that the India and its Prime Minister did not really take up the seriousness of this particular disease or pandemic initially. And he also said that Rahul Gandhi, the former Congress President, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, had warned the country that it should be taken seriously in February, but still even that had not happened, is what Shashi Tharoor has actually said in the initial remarks. And also in the later portion of his particular remark, he also says that India has actually unfairly criticized Tablighi Jamaat for spreading this COVID-19. So certainly Shashi Tharoor seems to have lashed out at the central government and also specifically at the Prime Minister, but unfortunately at an event which is being held in a foreign country and more specifically in Pakistan.
All right, leave it at that. Gopi, thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with what exactly is it that Shashi Tharoor has said for which the BJP is coming out with this kind of a reaction, attacking Shashi Tharoor for lauding Pakistan's COVID fight.